Hello, good evening. Hello,
Hello.
hello. Wow, hello. Good evening, and welcome again to our welcome to our class for today. So it is my first time seeing you, Kevin. So before starting our lesson, let's have a quick introduction of ourselves. So first, what is your name?
My name is Kevin.
Wow, hello Kevin. Nice to meet you. You can say nice to meet you too, teacher. It's okay. So, you can also say nice to meet you too, teacher. So, or also you can um choose not to say. But how old are you, Kevin? How old are
I
you?
get, I get,
Oh, 8 years old. Wow, so young. And how are you today?
I'm good.
You're good. Wow, that's nice to know. And did you already eat your dinner?
No,
I know. What time do you eat your dinner? What time do you eat for dinner? What time
eat,
will you eat?
eat,
I eat
I eat,
dinner
dinner,
at
and
what what time? Is it um 8 o'clock in the evening? 8 p.m.?
eat, o'clock.
Oh, 8 o'clock. Oh, okay. So later after our class, you will eat your dinner?
Yes,
Okay, so nice. Okay. But since you still haven't eaten your dinner yet, are you still ready to proceed with our class? Are you ready for our class for today?
yes.
Yes, okay. So now, for our lesson for today, Kevin, so we are in Unit 7, which is all about we love, we love school. Okay, Kevin. Yes, very good. So, Kevin, do you love school?
Yes.
Yes, okay, yes. I love school.
Yes.
I love,
Yeah, I love school.
okay, very good. Do you have school today? No? Yes or no?
No,
No. Is it your summer vacation today until August?
yes,
Okay, that's why. Because my other students, they said that it is also their summer vacation. That is why they have no school at this moment. So they will go back at school on August, on month of August. So wow, you have a very long rest. So that's good. So now for our lesson 4, let's proceed for our lesson 4, which will be focusing on language practice. Let's say language
language,
practice.
practice.
Okay, very good. So when we say language practice, so we will practice your writing skills, speaking skills with regards to the things that you had learned before. So let's start. Let's start for our first object. So do you still remember, Kevin? What is this?
His book.
Wow, very good. Good
Book.
job. This is a book. Okay, let's say this is a
This is a book.
very good. Good job. So, Kevin, do you love to read books? Do you,
Yes,
Yes. Wow. Yes, I love to
Is a
read
book.
books. Okay, very good. So books are the um, things that we read. Especially we read books that has pages. So there are stories, there are different stories in a book. We usually read books at school. So there are a lot of books at school. So that is book. So let's take a look at this book. Kevin, what color is this book?
It purple.
It's purple. Very good. It's purple. What is your favorite color, Kevin?
It white.
Oh, white. White is your favorite color? White is your favorite color? White. Okay, let me use some translation here.
Màu trắng là màu yêu thích của bạn phải không?
Yes?
No.
Ah, no. What is your favorite color? What's your favorite color?
Màu sắc yêu thích của bạn là gì?
It's red.
Oh, it's red. Wow. Okay, like this one? Like this? Like this red?
Red.
Okay, nice. Very good. So nice. So next, let's move on to our next object. So who is she?
Teacher.
Very
Is
good.
teacher.
She is
Teacher.
teacher. Very good. So
Teacher.
nice. So when we say teacher, so teacher helps us learn things. For example, your teacher at school helps you learn some new things. They show you some things that you don't know before. So you will learn what are those. So this is a teacher. Very good. So nice. Okay, so next, let's have our next school
Is
supply.
ruler.
Very good. It's a
Ruler.
ruler. Very good. When we say ruler, so this is a ruler. We use, yes, ruler. We use ruler to measure and draw lines. So we use it to draw lines. So do you have a ruler, Kevin?
Yes.
Yes, okay, very good. That's good that you have a ruler because it is really helpful, especially when we want to draw the shape square, rectangle, or those that uh, drawings that has lines. Okay, so next, what do we call this school supply?
Is a pen.
Very good. Nice. It's a pen. So when we say
Pen.
pen, so a pen is what we use to write. So we use pen to write. Do you have a pen, Kevin?
Yes.
Yes. What what are the things that you write using your pen?
Bạn dùng bút để viết những gì?
What are the things that you write using your
It writing.
Yes, we use it for writing. Very good. So, do you write your name using a pen? Okay. Do you write your name using a pen?
Bạn có viết tên bằng bút mực không?
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, very good. So, mainly, pen is what we use to write our name. So, let's say I write my name using a pen. So, let's read the sentence here. I write.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, let's read. Let's read. I write
I write
my name
my name
using a
using a
pen.
pen.
Okay, very good. So we use pen to write things or especially our names. So next. Oh, what school supply is this?
It's computer.
Wow, nice. It's
Computer.
computer. So do you have a computer at home?
Yes.
Yes, nice. I can see that you have a computer. Is it what you are using right now? Is your
Yes.
computer? Oh, okay, nice. So when we say computer, so a computer is a machine. So we use computer to learn and play. Do you play games in your computer?
Yes.
What kind of games? Do you play Roblox in your computer? Do you also play Roblox in your computer?
Yes.
Oh, okay. I play with my other students Roblox in my computer. So this is a computer. So we use it to learn and to play. So for example, I play Roblox on the computer. So we use computer. We can also use a mobile or phone to play games, but mainly we use computer. So next, what is this?
It's
It starts with letter B. B, b.
board.
Very good. It's board.
Board.
Good job. Have you seen or do you have a board at your school?
Yes.
Yes, okay, very good. Because board is what we can see at school because it is where teacher writes things using chalk. So when writing in the board, we use chalk, not a pen, because we cannot use a pen to write things on the board. We can just use chalk, especially in blackboard. For this one, this is a board. So next. Oh,
Keyboard.
oh, this one. Again, what is this? This one.
Keyboard.
Keyboard. Very good. Do you have a keyboard?
Yes.
Yes. What is the color
Keyboard.
of your keyboard?
Keyboard.
Keyboard. Very good. What is the color of your keyboard, Kevin? What color? This is teacher's keyboard. It's color white, blue, and orange. How about yours? What what color is your keyboard?
White.
Bàn phím của bạn màu gì?
Oh, it's white?
It's white.
Oh, it's white. Okay,
Keyboard.
very good. So keyboard is what we use to type words in our computer. So we use it especially when we are playing games like Roblox. We use it to move. We use it to move our characters. Okay, so next, how about this one?
It's bag.
Bag, very good. Bag, or what we can say, we can also name this as backpack or bag.
Bag.
So both are correct. So, do you have a bag, Kevin?
Yes.
Yes. What color is your bag?
It's blue.
Oh, it's blue. Wow, that's a good color. Is it not red? Because red is your favorite. You don't have a red bag? Okay. So when we say bag, it is what we use to carry our school things or school supplies. Like for this in the picture, let's take a look at this one. What school supply is this?
It's pencil.
Pencil, very good. How about this one? What school supply?
It's ruler.
It's ruler, very good. So a bag is what we use to carry the school supplies that we usually carry to school, or that is what we use at school. Next, how about this one? What
It's
do
it's mouse.
Okay, very good. It's mouse. Very good.
Mouse.
What color is your mouse?
It black.
Oh, it's black. Mine's pink. This is my mouse. It's color pink. You cannot see it,
It
but
white.
it's color pink. So when we say mouse, so like this, we use mouse in the computer. So we use it to click things on the computer. We use it also to play games on the computer. So next, let's have the next school supply. What?
It eraser.
Eraser,
Rubber.
very good. But we can call it also as rubber.
Eraser and rubber.
Rubber. Okay, one more time. Let's say rubber.
Rubber.
Nice, very good. So we can call them rubber or eraser because eraser is made of rubber. For this one, eraser and rubber is both correct. So for an eraser, we use eraser to what? Erase pencil. So when we write pencil and we got it wrong and we can just erase it using an eraser. Do you have an eraser?
Yes.
Yes, okay, very good. So most pencils are like this. So most pencils, they have erasers on top. This one, this is an eraser. So we can use it if we write wrong things. We can just use the eraser on top to erase it. So next, let's have this one. What do we call these things? We call it as starts with letter P.
Paper.
Yes, we can call it also as paper, but what do we call the part of a book?
Page.
We call it as page. Page.
Page.
Okay, let's say page, page, page.
Rich.
Okay, very good. Page. So when we say page, it is a part of a book. Part of a book. Like, for example, I have here this one. I have here a book. Okay, this is my book. So, so, so this is what we call pages like this. These are the pages. So it is what we flip. These are page or pages. So that is what we read on the book. So the pages or page. So next, oh,
Pencil.
let's have this one. What
Pencil.
pencil? Very good. Do you have a pencil like this?
Yes.
Yes. What color is your pencil?
It white.
It's white. Oh, it's also white. Okay, so when we say pencil, it is what we use to write. And as we said earlier, so we can erase a pencil, like for this example, this one. So at the top of the pencil, so we have an eraser. So we use it to erase the things that we write. Okay, so now let's do some activities here. Let's start with number one. Okay, this one.
Number one.
For number one, look at the square, this. What is this, Kevin?
It computer.
Okay, very good. Can you spell computer? Can you spell? Can you spell or write? Write computer. Okay, come. Wow. Huh? Go, go, go. You can do it. Compute.
Computer.
Wow, very good. Nice. You have a good writing skill. So very good. So this is computer. How about for number 2? Let's look at this one.
Is.
This one. This is the part. What is this? Next to the computer. Starts with letter C. It also starts with letter C. It is what we can see in the kitchen. It's cupboard.
Upper.
Okay, can you spell cupboard? Here, downwards. Can you spell cupboard? Okay, C-U. Go, you can do it. C-U-P. Cupboard. Cupboard. You can do it. C-U-P. P? B? Is it B? B or letter B or letter P? After, is it letter B or letter P? It's
E.
letter P. Okay, so what comes after letter P? So it will be letter. Okay, let's remove this one. P. Next one is B. Cupboard. Cupboard. What comes after letter B? It's O. What comes after letter O? It's letter. Are you sure it's letter R? Letter R or letter A? Oh, it's the O is correct. R or letter A? Here. It's letter. Yes, letter A. Very good. And the next letter is letter.
R.
Okay, very good. Last letter is cupboard. Letter. How do you hear? Very
E.
good. Nice. So can you read this word? Cupboard. Very good. Nice. So this is a cupboard. Okay. So let's move on to our number 2. Here, this is our number 2. So what is this?
It's ruler.
Ruler. Very good. So now, can you spell the word ruler? R U R U. What comes after? Okay, very good. L. Ruler. Ruler. What comes after letter L? Letter
L. L.
letter L? Letter L? No, it's letter. What letter is this? How can you?
Letter A.
Yes, very good. Letter E. Can you write letter E? Ruler. And the last letter is ruler. Very good. Ruler. Nice. Good job. You are good. You are very good in spelling. So next, let's go with the next one. Here. Number 3. This
Is
number 3. Number 3 is, what is this?
Ear.
Hmm?
Ear.
What is?
Ear.
It's
Ear.
this one. Look at the box. It's
Pencil.
very good. Now write the pencil here. Okay, go. Pen. Okay. Very good. So nice. Pencil. Let's go to number 4. What is this?
Eat. Eye.
Very good. I. Can you write the spelling of I?
Ear. Eye.
Okay, very good. I. So next, let's have number 5. This one. Number 5 is, who
Hey.
is she?
Teacher.
Teacher. Very good. Now, can you write the word teacher? T, E. What comes after letter E? T, E. What letter is that? Huh? Letter R? Are you sure?
No.
R or A? T. It's letter teacher. Teacher.
Letter
Letter,
C.
letter C? Let this one, letter R or letter A? This one is letter A. So we will write letter A. So let's write letter A here. A. T, E. What comes after letter E? Letter A. Very good. Letter A. Teacher. What what comes? Oh, very good. Letter C. Letter H. Teacher. Letter E. Very good. Letter R. Very good. So nice. Good job. Okay, so next, let's go to number 6. This number 6. This one, number 6 is this. What is this?
Is.
Starts with letter
Dog.
D. Yes, very good. It's a door. Okay, can you write the door? D O. Huh? Are you sure it's letter R? Is it double O? Are you sure? O or R?
Oh.
Oh, very good. So let's remove this one. Oh, okay. So draw the letter O. And the last letter is letter R. Very good. So good job. So remember, door has two letter O's. So door. So next, let's go to number 7. This one. Number 7. What is this?
Is rice.
Very good. Can you spell rice? R I Very good. ICE. Very good. Nice. Okay, let's go to number 8. Number 8 is this. What is this object? What is that? It's like this. Ah, what do we call this?
Box.
Very good. Box. Okay. Can you spell box? B O. Wow, perfect. So BOX. Very good. So number 9 is, what is our number 9? There is the answer there. What is this?
Ear.
Ear. Very good. Okay, let's go to number 10. This number 10 is this one. What is this?
Ear. Rule.
Huh?
Rule.
Ruler? It's one more time. Let's say rubber. R- Rubber. Rubber. Can you spell rubber in here? So we call it rubber or eraser. R-U-B-B-E. Okay, very good. So rubber, very good. So nice. Okay, let's go with number 11. What is this?
Chair.
Okay, very good. One more time. Let's say chair. 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 Okay. Huh? Letter R? Are you sure it's letter R?
No.
No. Letter R or letter I? Letter. It's letter I. So we spell it like this. Chair. Okay, let's remove this one. Can you write letter I? Very good. So that is chair. Chair. One more time. Can you say chair?
Chair.
Chair. Perfect. Very good. So let's go with where is the number 12? Number 12. Number 12 is this one. What do we call this?
It's book.
Yes, it's a book. But what do we call what's inside the book? What do we
Page.
call? Very good. Page. One more time. Let's say page. 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 Okay. Huh? What letter is that? Is it letter E? Letter E or letter A? E. What comes after letter P? Page. Very good. It's letter A. After letter A, it's letter G. Very good. Okay, one more time. Let's say page. Page. Very good. So let's go to number 3. Oh, this one. What is this?
Pen.
Pen. Very good. Can you spell the word pen? P. Okay, very good. Pen. And the last one is, what color is this?
It's
It's your favorite color.
orange.
Color red. Okay, can you spell the word red? R E D. Very good. What letter is this? It's letter
D.
D. Very good. Red. Wow, good job. Good job for completing this activity. I can see all of your answers are correct. So these words are based on the previous lesson that you have within this lesson material. So I can see that you still remember most of those things. So very good. So good job, Kevin. So now let's go to let's check your answers. Answers are all correct. So now let's have another activity. So this activity is look and read. So you will put a tick or a check if the sentence is correct. You will put an X if the sentence is not correct. So for example, let's read this one. Kevin, this is a board.
This is a pearl.
Yes, very good. Is this correct? Yes or no? Is this a board?
Yes.
Yes, very good. So therefore, our answer here is check. So we will put a check if the answer is correct. Like this, you will draw a check. So next, let's have another example here. This is an arm.
Oh no.
No. Is it correct? Is
This
this an
leg.
is this is
Leg. Leg.
leg. Very good. Good job. This is a leg. So we will put X if it's not correct. So where is your arm, Kevin? Where is our arm? Our arm is this. Very good. Good job. So this is a leg. So next, let's go to number 1. Okay, let's read. Oh, you already have an answer. So very good. So this is a lime. Is this a lime?
Yes.
Very good. So check. Number 2. Let's read. This is a frog. Let's read first.
No.
This, yes, no. Let's read the sentence first. This
Is
is,
a frog.
okay, is this a frog?
Frog. No.
No. What is this?
It's
This,
a fish.
very good. This is a fish. So X, very good. Nice, very good. So next, number 3, let's read. This is a lamp.
This is a lamp. Yes.
Yes, very good. Put a check. Very good. So next, let's read. This is a boy.
No. No.
No. What
Yes.
is this?
This is
Ve-
a girl.
Very good. This is a girl. So X. Very good. So next, this is a mouse.
Yes.
Yes, very good. Very good. So next, let's check. Check X check. Very good. So all of your answers are correct. Wow, you have a good memorization. You have a good memory. So next, let's listen to a sound here that we have and let's match. Let's match the picture or the missing picture into what we hear. Okay, let me just play the sound.
Listening 28. Look at the picture. Listen and look. There is one example.
Okay, we have one example.
Hello. That's a nice picture.
Hello. Yes, it is. Can you see that man there? He's wearing a hat.
Oh, yes.
Well, put the fish on the man's hat.
The fish on the man's hat. Really?
Yes, please.
Can you see the line? This is an example.
Okay, so for number 1, or the example that we have here is this one. So we have, what is this, Kevin? This
Fish.
fish. Very good. So based on the sound, let's hear it one more time. Let's hear the sound.
Can you see that man there? He's wearing a hat.
Oh, yes.
Well, put the fish on the man's hat.
The fish on the man's hat. Really?
Yes, please.
Okay, so we will put the fish on the man's hat. So therefore, we will write a line. So there is a line here. So the fish in the man's hat. So now before we listen to the other numbers, so let's first analyze what are the objects that we have here. Let's have this one. What is this, Kevin?
Is two.
This is
Is two.
shoe. Very good. This is a shoe. Next, let's have this one. What is this? This is what is this? Look at the
It is orange.
orange. How about this one? What is this?
This is monkey.
Monkey. Very good. How about this one?
Is goat.
Okay, very good. Let's say one more time. Goat.
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 Okay, perfect. Not goat. Let's say goat. So next, what is this? What clothing is this?
Is sock.
Sock. Very good. This is a sock. And for the last fruit, what fruit is this?
Is mango.
Very good. It's a mango. Very good. So now let's read it, or let's listen to our sound for number 1.
Can you see the line? This, you listen and draw lines. 1,
Now, put the sock between the children.
Where shall I put the sock?
Well, can you see that girl there? She's pointing at the elephant.
Oh, yes. You mean put the sock next to her? Okay, I'm doing that now.
Okay, one more time.
1,
Now, put the sock between the children.
Where shall I put the sock?
Well, can you see that girl there? She's pointing at the elephant.
Oh, yes. You mean put the sock next to her? Okay, I'm doing that now.
Okay, Kevin. What is our object in number 1?
Number 1 is
Number 1 is what is
sock.
sock. Very good. So for number 1, sock. Where shall we put the sock?
Sock. Elephant. Is elephant.
Where shall we put the sock? We will put the sock between
Between
the children.
the children.
So there is a girl pointing to the elephant. There is a girl like this. So can you put the sock next to the girl that is pointing to the elephant? Can you put a line? Where shall we put the sock next to the girl? Next to. When we say next to, yes, look at the children. Where is the girl that is pointing to the elephant? Where is the girl? Is this the girl? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, where shall we put the socks? We will put the sock next to the girl. Next. Where is next to? Next to is okay, very good. Next to is beside the girl. So very good. So it is where we put the socks. Okay, very good. Nice job. So next, let's have number 2.
2.
Great. Now, can you put the mango on the elephant's body?
On the elephant's body?
Yes, please.
Okay, I'm putting the mango there.
Okay, one more time.
To her. Okay, I'm doing that now.
Number
2.
2.
Great. Now, can you put the mango on the elephant's body?
On the elephant's body?
Yes, please.
Okay, I'm putting the mango there.
Okay, so Kevin, for our number 2, what is the object? It's
Yes.
what is the fruit? In number 2, it's
Yes. Mango.
very good, mango. And where shall we put mango? Where shall we put? Based on what we had listened to, they said, put the mango on the elephant's body. Where is the body of the elephant? Can you put a line? Where is the body of the elephant? Where is the elephant? Where is the elephant? Very good. So we will put the mango in the elephant's body. Okay, so nice. Number 3.
3.
Now, let's see. Put the goat under the horse.
Put the goat where?
Under the horse, please.
Right.
Let's see. Under the horse. Put the goat under the horse.
Put the goat where?
Under the horse, please.
Right.
Very good. Wow. So good job. So what is this animal? What is this animal?
Is goat.
Goat. Okay, one more time. Let's say goat. Goat.
Goat.
Okay, where shall we put the goat?
Is under the
Under the horse. Very good. One more time. Let's say horse.
horse.
Okay, so it's under the horse. Very good. So next, number 4.
4.
And where shall I put the monkey?
Can you see that girl? She's on the horse.
Is she standing on one leg?
Yes, she is. Put the monkey behind her.
5.
Right.
Number 4.
4.
And where shall I put the monkey?
Are you sure?
Can you see that girl? She's on the horse.
Girl. The girl
Is she
on the
standing on
horse.
one leg?
Yes, she is. Put the monkey behind her.
Okay, are you sure?
5.
Are you sure this is where we put the monkey? It is behind the girl. So where shall we put the monkey? Behind. We use the preposition behind. Okay, very good. So we will put the monkey at the back of the girl. So because we use behind. So it's in here. So very good. So nice. Okay, for our number 5.
And shall I put the shoe on that girl's foot?
Which girl?
Look, she's sitting there and she's waving.
Oh, yes. OK, put the shoe on her foot then.
OK, I'm putting the shoe there.
One more time. Number 5.
5.
And shall I put the shoe on that girl's foot?
Is it
Which girl?
there?
Look,
There
she's
or
sitting there and she's waving.
Oh, yes. OK, put the shoe on her foot then.
OK, I'm putting the shoe there.
Okay, is it? Oh, okay. So very good. So this is also the foot of the girl. So, wow, nice job. I can see that you can understand the different prepositions that we have, especially behind, under, on, and between or next to. So very good. So I think this will be the end of our lesson today. So we will continue this lesson next Wednesday. Next Wednesday. We will continue this lesson next Wednesday. So you did a great job today, Kevin. I can see that you can memorize the words well. You can remember the words well from our previous lessons because you are able to answer the crossword activity. So good job. So clap for yourself. So good job. So we will continue this lesson next time, Kevin. It's nice to meet you again. And I hope to see you soon again. So goodbye.
Peter.
Goodbye. Thank you very much.
Peter.
Bye bye. Thank you. Nice to meet you again.